Kasorkar Meghalaya kala Sdang banyak syakmat ban penbet ikijing kibe kendo deki nongti Dewiong ki berit ha Jylla kena bikin yo alat bantri ha kurukam kebalongkat kumkaan. Haba keren bikilat pathai Khubor umentri rangba ukonrat kesang mau long ulai kendo iki ofisa rangba jongkakul ministry bekentup yo secretary but additional secretary hadin boleh keren bat umentri kakul ministry. Hakini kejingi kendo umentri rangba ula kerpat pan penbet iki kendon kena bikin nong ti Dewiong ki berit lani ki badon ki par ki berit kin yo alang ya kahok bantri ban kata. Umentri rangba ulai thu kejingi keren bat umentri jongkakul ministry kalalong kebasyai bat keba ajing kermen. But they hadin kata ula betha bantau no dekat komiti ban pet banyak ya kini kamat.
I also had a meeting with the with the ministry officials of the coal ministry. This is as a follow-up to the meeting I had with Honorable Minister and Secretary and Additional Secretary. And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining, and the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed, and there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner. So this is a very important step for us, and I wanted to share with the press as well as with the public at large that things are moving in a positive direction.